Although the history of drones is quite young, it can be said that this technology has developed rapidly and is widely used in different fields. Here are some important points about drone history, 1907 to 1950s. The first examples of drones are based on aircraft used during World War I and World War II. However, the devices in this period were not drones in the modern sense and were generally bomb-carrying aircraft that could not be remotely controlled. In the 1950s and the following decades, remote-controlled aircraft and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, began to be developed. These systems were generally used for military purposes. In the 2000s, drones became smaller, lighter, and more accessible. During this period, drone use for commercial purposes increased. It started to be used in various sectors such as photo and video shooting, mapping, and use in agriculture. In the 2010s, drone technology developed rapidly and the market grew. Consumer models diversified with developments in cameras, sensors, and flight control systems. Drones are widely used for geographical mapping, cargo transport, rescue operations, surveillance, search and rescue, security, agriculture, and entertainment purposes. The widespread use of drones has led to legal and security issues. Issues such as airspace regulations, privacy concerns, and malicious use are being studied. Drone technology is an area that is expected to continue to develop further in the future. Flying vehicles may have various applications in more industries and sectors. Drones are versatile tools that can be used in many different sectors and applications. Here are some advantages of drone use. Drones can be used in remote surveillance and reconnaissance missions, enabling data collection in difficult or dangerous areas. For example, it is useful in areas such as search and rescue operations, damage assessment in natural disasters. Drones can provide high-resolution imagery for creating precise maps and for use in geographic information systems, GIS, applications. In the agricultural sector, drones are used to monitor farmland, collect data, and optimize harvest timing. This can increase agricultural productivity. In security, drones are used to provide surveillance and security, especially at large events or in confined areas. They are useful for monitoring airspace and assessing the situation at crime scenes. Drones can be used to capture high-quality aerial shots and videos. This is particularly useful in film production, advertising, real estate marketing, and event coverage. In cargo transport, drones offer the potential for fast and efficient deliveries of goods in specific areas. Drones are used for scientific research in the study of the atmosphere, ocean, and various natural systems. This allows scientists to access previously unreachable or dangerous areas. Drones can be a fun and creative hobby for users. Activities such as aerial photography, races, and drone construction have become popular. These various applications of drones make it possible to optimize business processes, collect data, reduce costs, and work more effectively in various industries. Drone use requires caution and knowledge, depending on various factors such as safety and airspace regulations. Here are the basic steps for drone use. Firstly, learn the legal regulations and airspace rules regarding drone use in your region. Obtain the necessary permits from the competent authorities and complete the registration process. When choosing the drone you will use, choose a model that suits your needs. Consider factors such as camera features, flight time, range. Assemble your drone correctly according to the manufacturer's instructions. Fully charge the battery and prepare the necessary control devices, for example, remote control. Choose a safe and suitable flying area. Avoid crowded places, airports, and restricted areas. Familiarize yourself with the remote control used to control the drone. Read the user manual to learn the controls. Learn basic flight skills such as ascent and descent. Check the surrounding safety during landing and takeoff. Fly taking into account weather conditions and wind speed. If your drone includes a camera, familiarize yourself with the camera settings and its use. Pay attention to the flight when recording and taking photos. Plan how you will react when battery power is low, lost, or in another emergency. Respect other people's privacy and safety. Avoid taking your drone into other people's private spaces. Use the recording features on the drone to record your flights. Regularly check and update the manufacturer's firmware and software updates. Drone use can offer many advantages when carried out responsibly. However, it is important to follow airspace rules and ethical guidelines.